Hi, my name is Daniel Toon. I'm from Team Visual Tableau. Uh, this presentation is focusing on Tableau Superstore sample. Here is my presentation. Let me move a little bit. And let's see. Here is my data source. My data source is right here. I connected to Sample Store. It's right here, my sample store, and this is a worksheet for the profit by region, vs by product also, versus product. Here is category. What I did is I took by region and a category here and some profit, and I did a profit twice. And then what I did is just put it together in dual axis. That dual axis, what gonna do is put it together both and to just like uh, analyze for the sum profit and another sum profit is right here. The reason is I'm using for category, one for region, and here is also the filter section. What I did filter, I'm gonna edit it and show that use all of the. But what I did is that's is for others also, for categories also, for the country and the state also use all of it. For the categories also I use all of it filter here. Here is also what I did up here also. I did profit by the color, organized by the colors. Thus can easily identify which one is doing good, which one is not doing okay. And this is for profit sections right here for second profit also. I'm gonna go to the another section here. Subcategory, uh, another section here. Subcategory is here by analyzing, still analyzing for profit for subcategory. For furniture is right here. For the it's right here, accessory, appliance, profit, and just what this does is just analyze. There's nothing on the column and the rows. I just here is a filter by the profit, and there is action section also for the countries, and also what I did is right here data set for the countries and profit. Uh, for another section also, I have it here another, the main part is right here actually. Here is another part, category, and also subcategory here, and some profit. Um, as right here, the profit on when I hover over is gonna tell the furnitures if it's doing good. What's doing bad is up here, the furniture for bookcase. In subcategory in bookcase is not good, doing good from furniture. Uh, Here on furniture chair is doing okay, doing good. Here is also another for furniture and furnishing for the couch stuff is still doing okay, but here is a furniture chair is better than everything. This is for the furniture section. How about office supply? Yes, right here office supply also appliance is doing good. That's okay. Here is also for binders, for office supply binders doing good. They make profit out of this. Is a little bit not good still is good. It's not bad. Uh, Here is another section is this is also as one under warning. It's almost losing profit. It's not selling also a lot of items. The company have to be watch out this item. Before that, I want to go back to furniture. This is the negative section. There's very big negative for table under furniture. There's a big lose in the under furniture for tables. The company should not sell these items in this company because no one buying it, and even if there is a sale is the number high, there are a lot of item high sale. I don't know what happens, but still the profit is very bad. It's negative 17,000. I'm gonna go to, since the time is limited, I'm gonna go to another for product profit. I hear I've mm, the same on other side, but it's a different kind of chart. You can see it by the number. The losing part is already red tag. You have to watch out which one is doing bad. Also per years, that right here categorized by years. Also which years doing which one is better or which one is good. Here is another also for quantity sales profit for shipping. Under here, what we can see is uh, right here uh, for sales and profit by ship. Uh, Here is the shipping is as profit is this line for trend line. This one is for the profit. How's the profits go? Uh, for the first class, uh, profit is very low. As the sales almost like 569. They didn't lose it. They're not negative, but they don't make any profit out of it. But it's still is very bad. When you come up here for the same day sales, for the same day sales, uh, for the same day sales, what they're making is 33 negative 33 for the same day shipping, not sales actually. For the same day shipping is the worst shipping. The company should not do the same day shipping because they're losing money up here. Here is also there's another second class shipping. The second class shipping is also it's okay. They're doing like 41K profit out of it. So they're doing okay. Uh, standard class shipping is a best way for the company. They're making profit out of it. There's comparing to the sell, they're making a lot of profit. This that's standard ship class shipping is more profitable. Let's go to in see this one in dashboard. This is the first dashboard. Uh, Super. I put here titles. Superstore sample profit. Uh, Regionals is right here. When I hover over, it's gonna even tells by the region. By the region. All is like that. Instead of that, not like you're not gonna do that always on a presentation, but as I do, I have here region section. On region section, if I select center, it's gonna affect on everything. If I select east, it's gonna affect up here. How about if I select on this all, and if I select, let's say I want to see from accessory, how that work on accessory is a good sale. Uh, Accessory, it's very bad. How about by year? Let's see, sorted by year, 2013 only. It's not good. It's not good. Not good. Here's also another section up here. Right here for the south section, just like that. For the west section, also like that. Let's see, 2013. No, all and let's see, pepper. Pepper is not doing it either. What's the phones? Phone is also profit. They make a 40,000 here. Also the same thing up here. Interaction is also as good. When I select up here, it's gonna affect on everything. If I go here, it's gonna affect. Yes, this is what looks like. For second dashboard also is right here. I have it here. For second dashboard also profit by region and by product. It's right here. Category office supply east region, and up here also office supply south region. Up here also office supply west region and stuff. Up here also the profit early, what I already explained on it. Other part on the worksheet. This is another second dashboard. Let's go to the storytelling on the Superstore story by Daniel and Sarah. That's the titles up there. Here is the another button for the first one. Here is the another button for the second one for the story. Up here, what I did is I bring I bring this profit by region tables or section up here, and I just put it little note section up here, storytelling. I write up here, and here is the another section also. This one is another section. Here's the same thing I did is up here. What I did is right here. Looks good. Here is what I did. I drag up from here this text button, and I put it up here, and it just edit it, and I put everything here. Right here, what this line telling is the profit. This one is for the shipping type of shipping. This one is standard. This one is second class. This one is same day shipping. This one is first class. I already explained this one. That's it for this time assignment. Thank you for listening. Have a good one. Put a comment on it. Thank you.